Good day, Sir, Madam. I'm Benji Inarios Evitada. I'm 40 years old and I currently live in Cavite, Philippines. And I'm a Christian and also I'm a Filipino. And and I am married and I have two kids, son and daughter. And my highest education is Charismatic Judicial Seminary. Uh, the course is uh, Diploma in Religious Education. And my experience is 9 years, almost in two different companies. And my first company is Dole Philippines. The nature of business of Dole Philippines is food processing company, like to process pineapple into juice and the can and a protactile. And my duties and responsibility there is to to filing the products, to load the finished goods in the container, in a container also, and a truck. And I experienced there almost 4 years in the company of the Philippines. And the second company is KTC Container Terminal. The nature of business of that company is container shipping and logistics. My position my position is forklift operator, and my duties responsibility is to perform preventive maintenance. And and also the brand of the unit that I operate is R Kalmar, Kalmar 30 tons, uh, made in Germany. And also the the TCM, made in Japan, 30 tons also. And also the Sokma, made in China, 32 tons. Okay, so aside from forklifting, I perform also red stacker, like to lift the loaded containers, the cargo. And the capacity that I lift is uh, 25 tons, like like the materials, grains, corn, rice, sack of rice, and also the garments. And and I perform preventive maintenance also before I start the operation. And also I perform loading, unloading, filing of containers, and arranging of containers and cargoes based on their class, type, and names. And I want to work in Europe because I want to support the needs and the educational of my family. Thank you for the great opportunity. God bless.